Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Fetch or ASI. Like I've done for a while, I'll just use the words interchangeably because a lot of you still know it as Fetch, right? So it's just easier, even though it's called Artificial Superintelligence Alliance right now, ASI. But wanted to do a bit of an update today, honestly, because this morning Fetch was actually quite strong. There was actually a moment, even though it might not look like it's here, but there was actually a moment that Fetch started outperforming the market slightly, which this is much too far too far ahead. And I cannot find it anymore. But there was a moment that Fetch started outperforming most of its altcoin peers. And then outside of that, I covered Fetch 2 days ago, and I just wanted to kind of make an update here on the current situation and if the situation is still the same. Because what I told you on what was it, Thursday, is that I actually thought that given the market circumstances, this bearish breakout we had below 1.05 and below $1 as well, and below 1.1, but the main kind of support level was between 1.1 and 1.05. I thought this breakout we had was a fake out, and I still lean towards saying that, however, with a little bit less conviction, because what we have seen so far is that we've actually respected the bearish breakout here. We've dropped down below 1.05. And you can see this is the daily time frame. We tried to get back in, and with the bullish momentum earlier this morning, we also tried to come back in, but ultimately we failed to do that. We never we never got a reclaim, and even on the 4-hour time frame, like we broke above 1.05 once, but we failed to hold it afterwards. So far, I mean, purely technically, that's just bearish confirmation. All right, what you want to see is that a fake out, that the price kind of drops down below a strong support level, and that kind of within a day or within a day and a half, we actually are able to break back above that level. And right now it's been since Wednesday that we haven't been able to do so. And then outside of that, I personally also do not really like the way the market is looking. Bitcoin is testing support. It's going to be fine, but if Bitcoin dominance continues to find support like this, it's not going to be great for Fetch. And outside of that, there was something else. Yeah, AI is also not very strong at the moment, at least. And then outside of that, well, but that's one of the main reasons that Bitcoin is falling. But the dollar strength index is also becoming a bit stronger. So fundamentally, that's just that's putting quite a lot of bearish pressure on altcoins. And then the volume is also not decent for Fetch. So yes, I clicked away the tab. So in conclusion, kind of about Fetch right now, do I still think it is most likely that we will reclaim this level and get back into the range? Honestly, at this moment, yes. I still think that's most likely. First price target would be the POC right here at 1.3, conservatively. I do still think that's most likely, but it also looks more likely on the short term that we will have a bit more bearish momentum that will push down a bit, and that ultimately will find support, find enough strength from there, reclaim, and get back into the range. Kind of similar to what we did in August, back when it also took a bit longer for us to actually break back above the crucial level around $1. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Relatively short video, which is good, hopefully, because I tried to put all of the value and what I expect given these circumstances in the video, so hopefully it helps. But those are my thoughts for now, so thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and have a great weekend. Bye.